Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to reset the 2013 Toyota Rav4 maintenance light. Start with the ignition off and the vehicle parked safely, then press and hold the trip meter button. While holding, turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Continue holding until the maintenance light blinks or the display resets, then release the button and verify the light is off and the display shows normal mileage. Follow these concrete steps to reset the maintenance light on a 2013 Toyota Rav4. With the car parked and ignition off, press and hold the trip meter button. Turn the ignition to on while continuing to hold that button. Do not start the engine. Watch the dash for the maintenance light to blink or the display to change. When the indicator resets, release the button and confirm the light is extinguished. If the maintenance light won't reset, don't panic. Try the sequence again slowly and firmly, making sure the trip meter button is held down during ignition on. Avoid quick taps and ensure the ignition is in the correct position without starting the engine. If resets fail repeatedly, check for stored codes with an OBD2 reader or visit a mechanic, because recurring lights can indicate unresolved service needs beyond a simple reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.